In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails on behalf of someone else in Outlook. This is a helpful feature for assistants, team members, or anyone who needs to manage another person's correspondence seamlessly. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to make sure everything is crystal clear. First, you'll want to open Outlook as you normally would. If you're already using an older version of Outlook, this guide is perfectly suited for you. Now, let's begin by crafting a new email message. Go ahead and click to compose your new email, just like you would if you were sending a regular email. Once you have your new message open, it's important to ensure that the From field is visible. This is crucial for sending emails on someone else's behalf. If you don't see this field up front, there's no need to worry. Simply navigate to the Options tab on the top ribbon of your Outlook window. There you'll find an option labeled From. Click on it and you should now see the From field appear in your email draft. Now that the From field is visible, it's time to select the mailbox you wish to send on behalf of. Click on the From field and you'll be presented with a list of available mailboxes that Outlook believes you might have access to. If the mailbox you need to use is listed, you can simply select it from there. However, if it's not listed, don't fret. You can manually enter it by selecting Other Email Address. This will allow you to type in the email address of the person you're sending the email on behalf of. With the correct mailbox selected, you're ready to get to the heart of the matter, composing your email. At this point, you can craft your message as you usually would, write your subject, add your greeting, and type out the body of the email. You can add attachments or make use of any formatting tools that Outlook offers to ensure your message is just right. Once you finish composing, it's time to send the email. Hit the send button as you normally would. What happens next is pretty cool from the recipient's standpoint. They will receive the email with a slight twist. It will appear as though it was sent from the other person on whose behalf you are writing, with a clear indication that it was sent on behalf of them by you. This transparency helps manage expectations and maintains professionalism in communication. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to send an email on behalf of someone else using Outlook. With these steps, you should be all set to handle someone else's email correspondence smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more practical tips and tricks.